Today in this video and vlog we are going to see something very beautiful Gokak Falls which is in Karnataka near Belgaum. The Gokak Falls is a wonderful waterfall located on the Prabha river in Belgavi district of Karnataka, India. Going to Belgaum is incomplete without visiting some beautiful places, and one in the list should be Gokak Falls. Gokak Falls is 6 kilometers away from Gokak town and gets its name from goki trees found in abundance in these areas. It resembles the Niagara Falls due to the features like the fall, shape, etc. Here, river Ghataprabha takes a leap of 52 meters over the sandstone cliff amidst of a picture square gorge of rugged valley, making a beautiful sight. This place has the credit of generating electricity for the first time in the country in about 1888-87. A prime attraction of the Gokak Falls is the hanging 200 meters long bridge that lies 14 meters above the bedrock. Tourists can visit monuments on both sides of the rocky gorge, which include temples of Goddess Durga, Lord Shanmuka, and Lord Mahalingeshwara, built in the tradition Chalukyan style of architecture. So, if you drive down from Bangalore, Gokak Falls will be approximately 582 kilometers, which takes approximately 9 hours and 30 minutes, and it's almost like north western part of Karnataka. The roads from Bangalore is so beautiful towards Gokak Falls. We just went to Dharwad, and after Dharwad we just went towards Pataripur, and while returning we just came to Gokak Falls. So the roads are very wide and beautiful, and you can drive in a very good phase, but carefully of course. So Gokak Falls is around 1.5 hours, 75 kilometers via NH48 from Belgavi city. So when you are close by to Gokak Falls, it will be pleasure driving through the village roads and through lush green fields of rice and sugar cane. And it was good rural experience. On reaching Gokak Falls, there will be a happy to see the falls from the hill. The summer months, the flow of water will be very less, but when you're getting into the rainy season, it will be more. Initially, it will be a little dirty, and after that, it will be very clean. So when we went, it was drizzling, and we experienced a beautiful weather. Gokak Falls. We are in Gokak Falls. The whole area is part of Gokak Textile Mills premises, which was built over 125 years back, and it's still up and running. The stone structure and architecture of mills is beautiful, looking over the river Ghataprabha. The mills built the cableway, wire rope, hanging bridge over 100 years back, and it is maintained in the same well even now. But since it has become very old, now it is not appreciated to walk in that bridge, so they have closed the bridge. So it is thrilling to cross the river through this bridge when you see about 50 feet below the gushing water flows. So now we are standing in the front side of the falls. So that is the Gokak Mills and the temple area. What a beautiful scene and sound of water is it? So now slowly we went to the place where we can see the water comes and it flows down no, from the falls, where it is very close to the bridge. All I can say that the bridge is quite steady and strong. The bridge was closed and was not open because of the pandemic, and also it is getting old. Good that we managed to go to the start of the bridge, and since it is closed, later we went down not to the rocks to cross the cool streams of water, and we felt the exciting scenic beauty of the falls. Let's enjoy along with us. My God, amazing! It was one of the kind experience after all. Don't miss to visit this Gokak Falls in your lifetime. So the reasons to visit Gokak Falls. Hanging bridge built across the river, 200 meters long, gives a elevated view of the waterfalls. Number 2, Lord Mahalingeshwara Temple, built in Chalukya style architecture. Kemple Park Botanical Gardens, Yogi Kolla hiking, a popular trekking destination which is 3 kilometers from the falls. Mallaprabha boating options in Markandeya River 8 kilometers from the falls, and more temples such as Yogi Kolla Mallikarjuna Temple, Kariyamma Temple, Lakshmi Temple, Hanuman Temple, and many more. And nearby we can have Goda Chinmalki waterfalls, which is 13 kilometers from Gokak Falls, and Soundati Yellamma, 73 kilometers from the waterfalls, which is often visited by many people. About stay, Gokak city is 6 kilometers away and has lot of budget hotels. Belagavi city has more hotel options. So when you get a chance, don't miss to visit Gokak Falls and enjoy your life and enjoy your time. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned and look forward to see you all with more vlogs like this. Bye bye.